Hello everyone! In today, we'll demonstrate how to quickly program 2D milling parts using advanced feature recognition and smart machining capabilities. We'll begin by activating the feature recognition function with all option with smart machining options enabled. This powerful combination automatically scans your part geometry, identifies all machinable contours, and intelligently generates optimized toolpaths for each feature. Once the system completes its analysis, we'll proceed with a single-click process calculation that prepares all necessary machining operations. Finally, we'll run a comprehensive simulation to verify the accuracy of each toolpath before machining. This streamlined approach can save hours of manual programming time while ensuring optimal results. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more smart manufacturing solutions.